Good morning, guys. It's your boy here, Big D from Big D Productions. And today I'll be going downtown Toronto to do a food review for you guys. We're going to a food court. Wait, what? A food court? That's right, a food court, but not just any food court. It's called the Chef's Assembly Hall, and it's located in the Financial District, and it's located right at the Google head office downtown. But before I head out, I need to get my coffee. Alright guys, now that I had my coffee, let's head out and I'll see you guys there. And welcome to Toronto, guys! As you can see, Toronto is a very big and beautiful city. It's just a little bit cold. I'd rather be somewhere nice and warm. But it is beautiful. It's very diverse and very multicultural. And here we are in the head office. Let's go inside. I'm not sure where this place is. It should be somewhere underground. I'll find it.
And here we are at the entrance of the Assembly Chef's Hall. As you can see, it's a very nice atmosphere here. On the right, here we have some Vietnamese dishes to choose from. However, during peak hours, it tends to get quite busy. That's why I chose to come here when it wasn't so busy. And here we have a nice vegetarian salad bowl. Here we have some American Italian dishes to choose from. We have some nice burgers and pasta options. All the restaurants featured here are run by well-recognized chefs. Not just anyone can start up here. You have to have some credentials to be featured here at the Assembly Chef's Hall. Here we have more Asian-inspired dishes with choices like Singapore noodles, General Tso chicken, and more. And for all you vegans out there, they also offer many vegan dishes. On the left here, we have Little Cow, a popular restaurant offering curry dishes, pad gra prao, and cow soy. When you buy a meal here at Assembly Chef's Hall, they have a promo where you can get a beer for $5 with the purchase of your meal. Here we have Love Chicks. They offer comfort foods such as fried chicken sandwiches, poutine fries, and more. And over here, Short and Sweet Bakery offering some delicious desserts. Check out those cupcakes. Also, we have the Good Son Pizzeria, offering hand-tossed, made-to-order pizza with the finest variety of toppings. These are just some of the featured restaurants at the Assembly Chefs Hall. If you would like to get more information on all the restaurants and chefs featured here, please visit assemblychefshall.com. And now let's head over to the restaurant I'll be reviewing today.
Red Dragon Ramen. I think this is the one that they're known for. Very popular dish. It's a spicy ramen dish. Then there's a spicy red miso. I think I'm gonna try the Red Dragon Ramen. I like spicy dishes. So I'll try that one. The chef's gonna show us how to prepare the dish.
So, I use one.
Alright. Here. How long have you guys been in business here? 2 years?
Running 5 years.
5 years. Alright.
What's your name? YouTube site?
Yeah, so my YouTube channel is Big D Productions. Yeah, shoot this movie. Great. Beautiful. Is that the spicy stuff?
Yeah, it's dragon sauce.
What is it? Dragon sauce?
Dragon sauce. Very important. Green chili,
Green chili, okay.
green onion.
Is that pork belly?
Yeah, pork belly, cashew, 2 egg, and finally chili.
Wow. I hope I can eat that spicy.
Yeah, thank you for waiting.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
guys. So here we are, guys. A ramen spicy noodle soup. It looks good, but it looks spicy. And we'll have a taste test and we'll see how it is. So they say you should, when having ramen, the first thing you should do is try the broth. That's the key to the ramen soup. The broth looks nice and creamy and rich. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, it's good. Very creamy, very rich. but I'm tasting that spice in there. With some green chilies in there. Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna need some water to cool down. Broth is good. Then we got a cooked egg, not overly cooked. Let's see if we can show that. Nice egg right there. Very nice. We got some bean sprouts in here too. And here, this is a nice pork belly. Get some sauce on that. I know some of you don't like pork, but I like it. They have a vegetable ramen that they offer. Very good. Let's get some of that noodle in there. You know, some noodles. Cheers. The noodles, they're nice and firm, but also at the same time, they're tender. Let's get some more of those noodles. All together, everything works really nicely together. And also, I got a red chili. What do you think? Should we take a bite of it? Why not? You only live once. Not that spicy. A little bit. A little bit of a kick to it. Also, they got this red, they call it red dragon paste. I gotta try this. I don't know what this is. Very salty. Very salty. But it's okay. Let's try some. Mix everything up. Try it with the noodles. There you have it, guys. Now I'm starting to feel that heat now. The ramen noodle soup, in my opinion, very good. I mean, if you like spicy, go for the spicy one. If you don't want to eat spicy, then they have other options. They have vegetarian option as well. The price, I mean, it's a little bit, we're downtown Toronto, so prices tend to be a little bit higher. So for this dish, it was, with tax, it was $20. A little bit pricey, but I think it's very filling, and you know, on a cold day like this, you get this spicy ramen, and it'll warm you right up. So I'm gonna continue to enjoy my dish. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. And also hit the bell if you want to get notified whenever I post new videos. Alright guys, see you next time. My next review is going to be, I'm going to Cuba, so I'll be doing a review in Cuba, so don't miss it, alright? Catch you soon. Cheers.